Gas chainsaws are a must-have tool for a professional lumberjack, landscapers and gardeners. Compared to electric chainsaw or battery chainsaws, gas-powered ones are more powerful and efficient in terms of runtime, cutting speed, mobility. Some gas chainsaws are suitable for handling heavy-duty tasks like felling, bucking large trees, while some are more maneuverable, making them suitable for pruning and trimming. There are many products available to choose from. Best gas chainsaw, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best gas chainsaw from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Craftsman Gas Chainsaw. Craftsman is a popular brand that manufactures reliable products at affordable price ranges. They provide better quality power tools, including these chainsaws. This gas chainsaw from Craftsman is equipped with a 42cc full-crank 2-cycle engine that offers great power and less vibration for strong delivery to the bar. With its premium 16-inch bar and low kickback chain, the saw lets you cut through the hardest or toughest wood quickly and effortlessly. It is lightweight and easy to handle, that engineered with polymer chassis for its effective performance and longer usage without any fatigue. With its easy start technology, you can pull start the chainsaw easily, smoothly, and quickly for effective wood cutting. The adjustable auto chain oiler will allow the user to raise or lower the oil flow and thereby maintain. Number 2. Poplin Pro Gas Chainsaw. Poplin Pro is another popular brand that is known for manufacturing lawn yard maintenance equipment and battery products. Some of its popular products include lawnmowers, blowers, and chainsaws. Poplin Pro's gas chainsaw offers a decent amount of power from its 42cc engine for your cutting needs. It has an 18 inches bar that can cut small to medium-sized wood. This power and bar size make the saw perfect for felling trees, cutting firewood, and storm cleanup. Poplin Pro has used its patented technology Oxy-Power to generate incredible power with reduced fuel consumption and lower emission. The fuel will last longer and you will be spending very little on the fuel. Besides, you will also be doing your part to develop a greener environment. The pull cord is assisted by a spring to help you start the engine soon. You do not have to waste your energy and time in pulling the cord. The engine will start with fewer cord pulls. The gasoline chainsaw has an ergonomic design with a superior anti-vibration system. Even if you operate the chainsaw for long hours, you will not get tired. There will be minimal vibration. Besides, the controls are easy to access. The automatic oiler does its part in lubricating the bar and chain to prevent wear and extend the life. The air filtering system will prevent dust from entering the engine and reducing efficiency. Number 3. Salem Master Gas Chainsaw. Salem Master is a relatively small brand, but has gained a reputation for developing reliable power tools at affordable costs. The brand has only a limited number of products in its portfolio, including gas-powered tools, lithium-ion tools, and their relevant accessories. Salem Master's gas chainsaw is powered by a 62cc engine that has 3.4 horsepower and delivers a steady speed of 8,500 RPM. This power makes the chainsaw ideal for cutting felling trees and firewood with a high efficiency. Furthermore, the low kickback chain and the large 20-inch blade makes short work of your lumbar cutting tasks. The gas chainsaw comes with a superior quality chain and high hardness bar that allows you to cut hard trees effortlessly. Besides, they offer high resistance against wear and prolong the service life of the chainsaw. The gas chainsaw features an ergonomic design that includes a comfortable handle with shock absorbing and non-slip features. These features ensure that you can operate the chainsaw for a long time without experiencing any hand fatigue. With the automatic oil supply system, the chain and bar get a steady supply of oil that provides an effective cutting experience. The air filter system makes it easy to clean the saw and replace the chain if it becomes dull. Besides, the air filter is made of fabric that prevents the entry of dust and prolongs the life of the chainsaw, considering the safety of the user. Number 4. DEWALT Gas Chainsaws. DEWALT is one of the reliable brands when it comes to professional tools like chainsaws. Among their product range, handheld gas chainsaw comes with a dual throttle switch. You have to press both at the same time for turning on the chainsaw. This prevents accidental starting of the chainsaw and protects from any potential risks. It is equipped with 2-stroke cycle engine that ensures reliable work for a long time. Compared to other gas chainsaws, this one consumes 10% less power. This professional gas chainsaw is suitable for tree felling, wood cutting and other lumberman works. As it is equipped with filtering system, it ensures long filter life and decreased fuel consumption. With comfortable, shock-absorbing and non-slippery design, you can use the chainsaw conveniently and safely, without experiencing any arm fatigue. Some of its amazing features include sharp edges, long service life, quick cutting, comfortable design and extreme wear resistance. All these features make this product perfect option for professional use. Number 5. Pinkway Gas-Powered Chainsaw. If you are looking for a reliable product at affordable price range, then Pinkway is the right place to look for. They are known for providing good quality power tools. Their gas-powered chainsaw is equipped with 63cc stroke engine that ensures strong delivery to the bar. In addition to that, it also ensures low kickback chain. The engine can provide up to 8500 RPM, which is adequate for handling a wide range of tasks or projects. As it is equipped with quick start technology, you can start the chainsaw without any issues. With high-quality chain and high hardness bar, it lets you work efficiently and easily on various projects that include cutting firewood and felling trees. With reinforced wear-resistant chain, it will last longer and can handle heavy duty as well. Because of air cleaning system, it consumes 20% less. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.